This video lesson is a continuation of our macromolecules discussion. Specifically, this video will address nucleotide structure. This will help us continue to describe and identify the four major biological macromolecules. Nucleic acids are large polymers made of repeating monomer subunits called nucleotides. Nucleic acids are important for transferring cellular information. The specific uses of the nucleic acids will be better covered later in the semester. Overall, there are two major types of nucleic acids. These include deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, and ribonucleic acid, or RNA. Each nucleotide has three components to it. This includes a 5-carbon pentose sugar. The type of sugar determines the type of nucleic acid. Ribose is found in RNA, while deoxyribose is in DNA. A nucleotide also has an aromatic or ring base with nitrogen atoms. The third component is a phosphate group. Studying a nucleotide in closer detail, you should notice that at carbon 1 of the pentose is where the base attaches by an N-glycosidic bond. The group attached to carbon 2 determines whether a nucleoside is RNA or DNA. If a hydroxyl group is present, it is DNA. If a hydrogen is present, it's RNA. Carbon 3 is what can form a phosphodiester bond with another nucleotide during polymerization. Carbon 5 is where the phosphate group attaches by a phosphodiester bond. Note the charge on the phosphate group. It has a negative charge, which makes the portion of a nucleotide water-soluble. In a nucleotide, bases are categorized as either a purine or pyrimidine. Purines have 2 rings and include guanine and adenine. Pyrimidines have 1 ring and include cytosine, thymine, and uracil. These bases can exist as a nucleotide, as previously described, or may be part of a nucleoside, which is a base and a sugar and no phosphate, or as a free base, which is not attached to anything else. For nucleic acids to be polymerized, nucleotides need to be readily available to a cell. The nucleotides are pre-assembled in a cell and have not 1, not 2, but 3 phosphate groups on them. In this form, they are called nucleotide triphosphates, or deoxynucleotide triphosphates. They are abbreviated as DNTPs for synthesizing DNA, or NTPs for synthesizing RNA. Each specific nucleotide type, such as adenine, thymine, or cytosine, originate as a nucleotide triphosphate. In summary, nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides, and nucleotides are made of a base, phosphate, and pentose sugar.